Hey guys, it is another week of What's for Dinner, and today is Sunday. We actually got back super late from the Pokemon event, so we did not have any salad or grilled chicken, but we did something just super simple because I wasn't really hungry. We have some Cheez-Its, some strawberries, and some Mao cheddar cheese just cut up. Super simple, and yeah, we will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Hey guys, it is Monday and we're having something super simple and quick thanks to Jared because I was working late. We are finishing off the rest of the steaks that we had in the freezer. We will be buying some more in a couple of weeks. And then we just had some sauteed steamed broccoli with just some salt and pepper. And this is going to be super yummy, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It is Wednesday and we are having a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich with some spinach and mayo. Super simple. I really just didn't want leftovers, to be honest, and we needed to eat that avocado, so I got that, and I sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning. My boyfriend burnt my toast, and this was the only bread we had left, so I'm gonna make it do. It probably won't taste burnt, but yeah. So, bacon, egg, cheese with spinach, and some avocados on the side with some everything but the bagel seasoning. And that is what we're having for dinner, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! It is Thursday, and we are having a rotisserie chicken that we got at Sam's because we were shopping there for a baby shower that I am hosting. We roasted some zucchini that we need to eat before we head out to Disney next week, and also some mushrooms just sauteed in some butter, and then we steamed up some jasmine rice. And yeah, this is our super simple dinner, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is a Tuesday and it is time for another new recipe. So tonight we made Italian wedding soup, and it is from All Recipes. Super simple ingredients that you just need to go and pick up. There's orzo hamburger meat that you make into meatballs, spinach, carrots, chicken broth. You just put it all together and it's ready in about 30 minutes. It smells really good. I've never tried it, so hopefully I like it, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, just popping in to let y'all know that we are done with the weekly meal plan for this week. And on Friday, we had the birthday party for Amelia, so we had like chicken, all her favorite stuff. So chicken, chips, fruit. So we had that, so we ate that, and I didn't video that, I'm sorry. I keep on saying that, but I'm sorry. And then Saturday was the baby shower. It was great. We had egg salad sandwiches, fruit, chips, dip, salsa, spinach dip, Rice Krispie treats, cupcakes. We had a lot of stuff there and had a lot of leftovers, but that's what we had, so I didn't really film that. But I kind of wanted to go over what we ate and if I liked it, if I would try it again. So Monday we had the steak and steamed broccoli, tried and true. Always gonna cook that, always gonna have that. It's delicious. Then we had the Italian wedding soup, so that was the first time I ever made it. Like fresh out of the pot, it was really good. I really liked it. But then the next day, heating it up, the pasta kind of got a little like mushy, and I do not like mushy like rice or pasta or anything that. So if I make it, I will probably cut down the serving size, and then most likely, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to try it. If not, then I'm just not gonna cook it anymore. But it was good at like the very first time. Then we had, what did we have? Oh, we had the eggs and bacon sandwich with avocado. Tried and true, always gonna have that. Very yummy. And then we had the rotisserie chicken that we got at Sam's. Super good. It's just a lot, so we have been eating on that for like lunch and everything. but we had that with rice and zucchini and mushrooms. Super good. I really liked it. Always gonna have that also. And then I think that's it. So that is your weekly meal plan that we did. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you like me to continue. I think I'm going to be filming what I eat at Disney. I'm not sure yet. It just depends on how busy it is and everything else, and how comfortable I am for filming it in public with that big of a crowd. But we'll see. You never know. Make sure you subscribe, like I said. Let me know if you have a channel. I will be happy to go and check your channel out and support you in any way possible. And I will see you guys later. Bye.